Alright, this is going to be a quick little video. I've got a new gadget, a DJI Neo drone. Going to be doing some international travel in the near future, and my big Air 2S is a bit problematic for a bunch of reasons. This thing's going to kind of be handy. Cost me about 300 Aussie dollar dues. It can charge from USB-C. You can fly it headless with a couple of preset modes. You can use a controller or you can use your phone. Hopefully this is going to do some B-roll stuff. So before I go overseas, I'm going to try and learn how to use this. So this is just a montage video. There's going to be a couple of different montages of some of the footage I've been able to get with this so far. If you've got any questions, chuck it in the comments. I guess give us a thumbs up, I guess, if it's helpful to you. And I'll see if I can answer any questions you've got, but I'm still new to this myself. Anyway, let's get on with it.